This is Rick with Midwest Power Washing. Today it is Tuesday, December 4th, and we're washing dealership cars. Here's our one crew. This crew here just does dealership cars. There's Doug, our assistant tech. Justin, our lead tech. Sorry about the wind if it's too windy. There's our truck for our car wash truck. We're doing all these dealerships on this Honda, and over here VW. There was about 500. I haven't done the final count. About 500 cars here. Then we're going over to Ford, and we're going to knock out about 200 over there. We couldn't get those done. But on this corner, we do all these dealerships. So we have the Honda VW, Ford, Nissan, Hyundai. There's Toyota over there, Gateway, GMC. We just picked up Paul Cerami down the street a little farther. So we basically do all these cars on this crew here. And it's nice weather out. They're working 40, 50 hours a week. I think last week they almost had 60 hours. We did 3,750 cars or something like that last week. So we're doing pretty good. And then I'm helping them. So you got my rigs over here. But yeah, all these dealerships, and you know, I help them when I'm slow on houses and building washing. But you can see my rig, my trailer. I'll zoom up on it. See, right there. So yep, just showing a little thing here. So if you guys need your dealerships washed, you know, Midwest Power Washing does it. Spot-free water, no wiping. No wiping at all. Just rinse them down. We also wash buildings, houses. So give us a call or hit us up on the website, MidwestSoftWashing.com. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.